Hey guys, welcome to Math Tech. Today we'll be learning how to tag everyone on a Facebook group. And now let's dive right in. Now to tag everyone in a Facebook group, first open up your Facebook app and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to tag everyone, from which you want to tag everyone. And now in order to tag everyone guys, you'll be doing that on two places, either on a post by any group, and you can see there are a lot of groups over here on my wall. Now in order to proceed to tag everyone on that post, simply tap on the comment and type in @everyone, and after that enter your message which you want to read out to everybody. And after that guys, send this message on that group or that comment, and then everybody on that group will be tagged. Another way you can do or tag anyone or everyone on Facebook group is on the messenger. So to do that, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is the messenger icon. Tap on it at the top right corner and go to the group chat or the group on which you want to tag anyone. So to do that, go guys, I'll be entering this group, and in order to proceed guys, similarly type this message or type your message like this, like @everyone on the first, and after that type your message and send this to the group. And after that the @everyone text will turn blue, and that on that group everyone will be tagged. And guys, this is how you can tag everyone in a Facebook group. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.